There's one here. Oh, yeah, one is here. This is the elevator. Is it the yellow parking deck? Ready? Okay, well, we know these are high.
Oh, for crying out loud, this thing.
Pretty good motor. Well, it used to be Schindler, but we got Schindler. That's probably a 3D sensor.
What do those get used for?
Nice cab. I think these were the Peaceful Day lift elevators. I think. It's either this or the green deck, I don't remember. And these were completely modernized. They used to have the top indicators with the directory on it, kind of like Bloomingdale's Roosevelt.
Reminds me of Bloomingdale's Roosevelt.
Oh, it's here. Let's see how stupid it is. Nope, no, not that stupid. Are you broken? Oh, okay. Oh, this one has rear doors. This one has a fan. Yeah, this one's boring. This one's more bouncy than the other one. Ooh, okay. That was a little bit rough. Hold on a minute. Just hold it. Now there's no second one. So we're fine, it's just these two. I want more bouncy.
This one has a rear door.
I don't know. I will say these are nice. It's a nice mod. I'll give it that. It's okay. Oh, you can kind of see the leveling up there. I think the hoistway tracks were kept original. And that's it.